Topic of discussion is important questions and numericals for the subject finite element analysis. We have already done chapter number 1 where we have discussed important questions and numericals. Now we will be discussing chapter number 2, but just to take you along, this is for semester 6 mechanical engineering, and this is as per the revised syllabus which was revised in 2016 of Mumbai University, which is effective from the academic year 2018 and 19. So important theory topics or questions or the numericals which are important for chapter number 2. So chapter number 2 is FEA procedure. The first question is characteristic significance of shape functions. Second question, boundary condition and its type, or it may be asked geometric and forced boundary condition. Displacement boundary condition for different support condition, free, fixed, roller and pinned. Bandwidth, banded matrix of storing data. Skyline storage, principle of minimum potential energy with suitable examples. Different type of coordinate systems used in finite element method of analysis. Sources of error in FEA and convergence with examples. So these are 9 questions which are from chapter number 2 FEA procedure. So now we will go to the numerical part. Okay, so important numericals from chapter number 2. Three concentric rings. So here I have taken up the question. Okay, so three concentric rings of different materials are joined together as shown in figure. We have to determine the displacement at free end. So this is the diagram for the problem number 1. Okay, so this is the diagram where three concentric rings which are of different material are joined together, which is shown in the figure. You have to determine the displacement at free end. Question number 2, solve following equation using Gauss elimination method. So this is the question which is given problem number 2. Then problem number 3, it is required to carry out one-dimensional analysis of a circular bar of length L fixed at one end and carries a point load P at another end. Find the suitable differential equation with the required boundary condition, justify and solve it using Rayleigh-Ritz method of two linear elements. And problem number 4, solve following differential equation. The differential equation is given, boundary condition is given. You have to use Rayleigh-Ritz method mapped over entire domain using one parameter method. So this was chapter number 2 where I have given you around 9 topics of the questions which are important and 4 problems which are important. Okay, so review these problems and practice other problems which are similar to these. Okay, this is only example, okay, to give you the flavor of how the questions can be asked, but you have to practice different problems to get practice of it. Okay, best of luck for your examination. In our next video we'll be covering chapter number 3. Till then, goodbye, best of luck for your examination.